Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. Post Malone, ever heard of him? I think so. And he has this song called Guy for That. So he has people for everything, a guy for that, and that. Let's take a look at this song. So we have a 4-chord song. It goes in the same way through the entire song. And we use the capo on first fret to have the best chords possible. So put that capo on the first and let's look at the chords. Starting with D, that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have B minor next, it's a bar chord, where you play the bar on the second fret. You don't have to bar the last E string, but the 5 strings below, you have to. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. We have G next, and it goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E, and the final chord is A. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, open E. Alright, so there you have the chord progression, D, B minor, G, and A. Let's take a look at the strumming. And we have 2 different styles of playing. They're very similar, but one is more focused on the beats. So we're going to look at the first style here. If you grab the chord D, then you're going to play down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so the idea here is to play the second and last down a little bit down here on the higher strings, and all the other downs and ups you play a little bit more in the bass area. So yeah, D, it's a short chord, only 4 strings incorporated. It's easier to go with G and understand what it's about to play on the higher strings and bass strings. But since D is the first one, we're going to illustrate with that. So these are the highest strings and these are the lower, darker strings. So you're gonna play bass, bass, top, bass. Alright? So down, 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 up, 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 down, up. That is 1 string around, down, up, down, up. You're gonna play 2 string rounds per chord. So D2, B minor 2, G2, and A2. That is 1 chord progression round. Now over to the second style of strumming. Now imagine you remove that down, you want to emphasize on the higher strings and replace that with a clap instead. So that will be down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up. So you clap on the strings like this. So down, up, clap, up is now 1 string around. You're gonna play the same, of course, D2, B minor 2, G2, and A2 like this. Alright, so there you have 2 different styles. It's up to you to play whatever style you want. You can switch back and forth. Guy for That from Post Malone. Enjoy and play tuned.